Alrighty, good people. This is Arthur Morris here. I hope all is well. We're going to rationalize a denominator with square root of a fraction. So this time we have this in fraction form. So again, the first thing I want to look to see if I can simplify the fraction 7 over 5, which I cannot simplify that. There are no common factors. So I'm going to separate these into two separate radicals, like so. And then I'm going to rationalize my denominator. So again, to rationalize my denominator, that means I want to get rid of the radical that's in my denominator. And the way that I'm going to do that, I'm going to use the property of multiplying a radical times itself, because that's the same thing as the radical squared, which is in this case just a. So I'm going to use that property there. Alright, so again, whatever I multiply the denominator by, I must multiply the numerator by the same thing. Okay, so now I have the square root of 7 times 5 in my numerator over the square root of 5 squared, which simply is the square root of 35 all over 5. And remember, we cannot simplify that because the 35 is under the radical and the 5 is not. So it'll have to stay just like that. Okay, let's look at another one. Alright, so we have the square root of 2 over 7. 2 over 7 cannot be, the fraction itself cannot be simplified, so I'm going to separate the radical. Two separate radicals. And then I'm going to rationalize my denominator. So I want to rationalize my denominator by multiplying by the square root of 7. Alright, so we have the square root of 2 times the square root of 7, which is the square root of 14. And then we have the square root of 7 times itself, so that just gives us 7. And again, this cannot be simplified because the 14 is under the radical and the 7 is not. Alright, I hope you found that to be helpful. Thank you.